This is the news on the hour on Providence Television International. I am Akpabio. You're welcome. Senate President Akpabio has contested the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court in Abuja to hear Senator Natasha Akpabio's suit challenging her suspension. Through his legal team led by Kehinde Ogunwumiju San, Akpabio argued that the court had no authority to interfere in the internal affairs of the Senate, insisting that legislative matters should be resolved internally. At the reason proceeding in the matter on Monday, the defendants maintained that Senator Akpabio had yet to effect proper service of the court processes to enable them file necessary applications to challenge the competence of the suit. However, counsel to Senator Akpabio, Michael Numas San, told the court that all the parties were duly served, drawing the court's attention to affidavits of service already in the records. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited has initiated fresh negotiations with the Dangote Petroleum Refinery over the renewal of the Naira for Crude agreement as talks are underway in anticipation of the expiration of the initial deal, which ends on March 31st, 2025. The NNPCL Chief Corporate Communications Officer, Olufemi Shoneye, in a statement on Monday explained that the initial deal was for 6 months. However, discussions are ongoing for the renewal of the agreement. Kebbi State government has confirmed that 26 people have died from an outbreak of cerebrospinal meningitis in Aliero, Gwandu, and Jega local government areas. Cerebrospinal meningitis is a serious infection that causes inflammation of the protective membranes covering the brain and the spinal cord. It is usually caused by bacteria or viruses and can spread from person to person. Symptoms include fever, severe headache, neck stiffness, nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light. If not treated quickly, it can lead to serious complications or death. Angry protesters took to the streets of Akure, Ondo State capital, on Tuesday, demanding urgent action over the abduction of 9 surveyors at the Owode Iluabo in Akure South local government area. The victims, all indigenes of Akure, were on a job site when they were seized by armed men last week. The demonstration, led by distraught relatives and concerned residents, saw placard-wielding women blocking the busy Oba Adeshida Road, disrupting traffic as they called on security agencies to secure the release of the kidnapped workers. Investigations revealed that the kidnappers initially demanded 50 million naira as a condition to begin negotiations, but later raised the ransom to 100 million naira. Nigerian table tennis star Quadri Aruna has been drawn against world number 2 and Chinese player Wang Chuqin in round 32 of the WTT Champions Chongqing 2025 in China. Aruna and Chuqin will face off on Wednesday in one of the first round games of the $800,000 prize money tournament, which marks the season's inaugural WTT Champions event. The event will showcase 32 men's singles and women's singles in electrifying action from March 11th to 16th, 2025. Super Falcons midfielder Chioma Olise is thrilled to have won her second game in the colors of Trabzonspor women in the Turkish women's top flight, thanks to a 2-0 victory over Besiktas women on Sunday. The former Edo Queens midfielder, who made her second appearance for the club, shared her delight after the game, emphasizing the team's winning mentality. With this victory, Trabzonspor women sit 5th on the league table with 38 points. Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has been arrested on a warrant issued by the International Criminal Court, which is investigating allegations that crimes against humanity were committed during his war on drugs. Duterte was taken into custody today at Manila Airport upon his arrival from Hong Kong. The charge is related to Duterte's brutal anti-drug war, which he ran during his time in office from 2016 to 2022. Suspects were deprived of due process under the law, and thousands of people, including children, died, according to the complaint. And now to the exchange rate. $1, its present equivalent in naira is 1,559. €1 presently stands at 1,701 naira, and £1 2,016 naira, while the Canadian dollar presently stands at 1,075 naira. And that's the news on the hour. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned.